Welcome to Catherine's tutorial. In this video, we'll learn about digestive system of earthworm in detail. The digestive system of earthworm contains two major structures. They are alimentary canal. The other structure is digestive glands. Digestive glands. The structure of digestion or digestive system in earthworm is known as complete. Why it is known as complete? Because it contains all these structures that can perform different functions of digestion, because they've got glands to secrete enzyme to digest the food substance also. That is why the earthworm alimentary canal or the earthworm system of digestion is known as complete. Okay, we'll see in detail about the complete structure of earthworm. So it starts from a small opening, that is mouth, which is also known as peristomium. Stomium refers mouth. Okay. Followed by this, you can able to find somewhat wider structure known as buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is thin walled structure. Followed by buccal cavity, you can able to find a somewhat wider region. This wider region is known as pharynx. Okay. Followed by pharynx, you can able to find somewhat narrow region known as esophagus. Followed by esophagus, you can able to find somewhat wider region which is again thick walled. This structure is known as gizzard. Okay, so followed by gizzard, you can able to find one more region, that is stomach. Followed by stomach, intestine runs. So okay, so when you just learn about intestine, there is one more structure which arises on the 26th segment of the intestine. Okay, which is known as intestinal caeca. Okay, so this region is known as intestine. Intestine will run, imagine it is a last segment where we have anus, a small opening, so it runs till the anus. Okay, so we have learned what are the structures are present. We should know like in which segment they are present. Okay, so above this mouth, you can able to find one more structure that is overhanging the mouth. The last class when we learnt about morphology, we learnt about this structure. This structure is known as prostomium. In earthworm, this prostomium acts as sense organ. Okay, so we'll just see in which segments they are present. Mouth, the first segment, that is the first structure present on the first segment of earthworm. You can able to find peristomium on the first segment. The next segment, that is second and third segment, contains the buccal cavity. Pharynx is thick walled structure which is present on third and fourth segment of the organism. Esophagus is present between 5 to 7th segment of the organism. Gizzard This structure you can able to find on the 8th and 9th segment of the organism. Stomach from 9th to 14th segment. Intestine starts from 15th segment and it runs till the anus. Okay, we have seen all the structures and we have seen in which segments they are present, but we have to know what is their function in detail. Okay, so we'll just start from mouth. The mouth will involve in ingestion of food particles. Food particles will enter inside the mouth. They'll just go to the buccal cavity, and very important structure here, on the sides of pharyngeal region, you can able to find pharyngeal glands. These pharyngeal glands will secrete substances. How they secrete substances? The pharyngeal glands contain a structure known as chromophil cell. These chromophil cells which are present on the pharyngeal glands will secrete two substances. One is mucin, another one is proteolytic enzyme. The other one is proteolytic enzyme. Mucin will involve in lubrication of food substances. Lubrication of food substances will be done with the help of mucin. Proteolytic enzyme involves in digestion of proteins. Proteolytic enzymes involves in digestion of proteins. You can able to find esophagus, a narrow region and thin walled region. Here you can able to find chitinous. Chitinous structure will involve in grinding of food substances. Stomach contains 3 pairs of glands. Worm feeds on humus. This humus contains humic acid. So to digest the humic acid, they need some enzymes that is released by the 3 pairs of glands that is present in the stomach. The stomach will also produce one more substance known as proteolytic enzyme. This proteolytic enzyme will involve in digestion of protein substances. Protein substances are digested by the proteolytic enzyme released by the pharyngeal glands, I have told you already, and also it is released by the stomach to digest the protein substance. Intestinal CK, which starts from 26th segment and goes upward till the 23rd segment of the organism. Okay, and on the dorsal wall of the intestine you can able to find a structure known as diplosole. Diplosole, towards the dorsal wall of the intestine you can able to find diplosole. Okay, diplosole will increase the absorptive area of the food. Diplosole will involve in increasing the absorptive areas of food, that is absorbing the nutrients from the digested food. It is richly supplied with blood vessels. Followed by this, you can able to find lymph glands here. Lymph glands are present here. So the digested food comes out of the anus as worm cast. The earthworm feed on the soil, okay, and detritus, that is a dead leaf and half decomposed leaf. Okay, when they eat all those things, when they release the worm cast is rich in nitrogenous matter. Okay, the worm cast is rich in nitrogenous matters, so that will help in increasing the soil texture and soil fertility. Next video, we will learn about the next structure in earthworm in detail.